Chapter 1, Section 4, Problem number 3. It gives us 4 statements, and it's asking us to briefly explain and categorize which of the, is each of the following issues primarily microeconomic or macroeconomic? And the first statement is, before we get into the first statement, we should go over the basic definition of what categorizes micro versus macroeconomic. Microeconomic issues deal with individuals and individual businesses and the effects that certain economic regulations and happenings have on these businesses, whereas macroeconomic issues, affect the larger economy as a whole. So with that in mind, let's go into the first statement, which is the effect of higher cigarette taxes on the quantity of cigarettes sold. Well, that's a microeconomic issue. Simply